Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Sabudana Khichdi. This is an easy snack and is a good recipe to be made during fasting days. This khichdi is loaded with carbohydrates and the proteins from the peanuts. Both micronutrients play important roles in our health. And this khichdi is extremely simple, yet so flavourful. I love my Sabudana Khichdi with yogurt on the side, but you can have it with anything else or just by itself too. We will need 1 big boiled in cubed potato, 150 grams of grounded peanuts, fresh coriander for garnishing, half a lemon, green chilies, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, half a tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 50 grams red peanuts, 50 grams cashews, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, and half a tablespoon of salt or to taste. Now we're going to take our 500 grams of sago seeds and then soak them in half the quantity of water for 5 to 6 hours. But before you do that, don't forget to wash it a couple of times to remove all the starch. We have done this in advance, and as you can see that our sago seeds have nearly tripled in size, and the weight has gone from 500 to 1500 grams. When you are soaking sago seeds, it is really important to get the right quantity of water, as if you use too much, then your sago seeds will be sticky, and if you don't use enough, then they won't be mushy enough. Now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a heated pan. And then put in our cumin seeds. Wait for them to pop. Once they start popping, we're going to add our sesame seeds, green chili, red peanuts, and cashews. Then mix everything together. Once you can see that your cashews and peanuts are starting to turn a little bit brown, add your potatoes and mix it all together. Now that everything is well mixed, we're going to add our sago seeds, and then add our powdered peanuts, sugar, lemon juice, and mix. Then we're going to add our cumin powder, salt, and then mix everything before we cook it for a couple of minutes. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe. As you can see, our Sabudana seeds are turning a little translucent. That means that our Sabudana Khichdi is nearly ready. So now we're going to cook it for another couple of minutes. As you can see, most of our sago seeds have turned translucent. Now we're going to add our freshly chopped coriander and then mix it well. Now it's time for plating. If you like these recipes, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!